Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, hi everyone. Okay, here some of my students are making Bir Pletok. They are Muhammad, Affan, Ghailan, Aisyah, Laiqa, and also Muhammad Fathur, Rahman, Haikal. And here they are of making Bir Pletok. Let's watch them. And here we go.
Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna make a drink that's from Betawi and the name is Bir Pletok. I'm Affan, grade 5 from SD Ghailan 04. I'm gonna make it. And here are the ingredients. First, we're gonna need the ginger, 2 sticks of lemongrass, a few lime leaves, sugar, brown sugar, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, nutmeg, clove, pandan leaf, sapan wood, and 3 glasses of water. Okay, so let's start making it. Okay, so let's make it. First, we're gonna put this 3 glass water into the boiler. It's so hot. Sorry, pretty hot. And last one. And now we're gonna put the lemongrass, and we also smash it, the 2 of the lemongrass, and I'll put it, and also the ginger. I also smashed it, so the smell will come out, and also the lime leaves. We're gonna put it inside. The cardamom, the cinnamon, the black pepper, we put it inside too. I also smashed the nutmeg. And we also put the cinnamon. And the brown sugar. And the last one, the sapan wood. Okay, so let's wait for 15 minutes or until it boils. So after we filter, and here it is. And we're gonna boil it again and put the sugar and pandan leaf. So we're gonna put the sugar right now. And the pandan leaf. Okay, so we're gonna wait until it's boiled. Finally, this stimulating drink is ready. It can cure cold, stomach upset, and it could warm our body. Thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone, it's Aisyah or Laiqa. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Bir Pletok. And for your information, Bir Pletok is signature drink from Jakarta. So let's get started. And Bir Pletok ingredients we need: 50 grams of grilled ginger, 50 grams of palm sugar or brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 2 lemongrass, 6 leaves of kaffir lime, 1 leaf of pandan, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, 7 cloves, 4 centimeters of cinnamon stick, 3 cups of water. Now, first, bruise the ginger, lemongrass, and nutmeg. In a medium saucepan, add a 3 cups of water. Then add all the spices. This is 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Cheers the lime leaf, cloves, cinnamon. First, bruise the ginger, lemongrass, and nutmeg. In a medium saucepan, add a 3 cups of water. Then add all the spices. This is 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Cheers the lime leaf, cloves, cinnamon stick, and leaf of pandan. Serve, wait until the water boils. Serve the Bir Pletok with warm meat or cold meat. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fathur Haikal. I from class 5B and I will make a Bir Pletok. To make Bir Pletok, we must have 50 grams of fresh ginger, 50 grams of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 2 lemongrass, 1 leaf of pandan, 6 leaf of kaffir lime, a quarter of nutmeg, 7 cloves, 4 centimeters of cinnamon stick, and 3 cups of water. First, we must to grill 50 grams of fresh ginger. After grill the fresh ginger, we must bruise the fresh ginger, the 2 of lemongrass, and a quarter of nutmeg. After bruise the fresh ginger, the 2 lemongrass, and a quarter of nutmeg, we must boil the water. And put all the spices. We must stir the leaf of kaffir lime. And we must wait until boil. Now the water is boiling. I will put the spices out. And we must wait until boil. Now the water is boiling. I will put the spices out. I will put the water into a glass. Okay. Now the Bir Pletok is ready to serve. Thank you for listening today and goodbye.